What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Lilypad from Toy Story 5. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then curl that all the way back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top over on the right, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, and then curl that all the way back up towards the top. Let's add two small circles for the pupils, but we're going to pull them towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to step over, draw a smaller circle going all the way around, and then in. Let's line that up on the right, drawing that same size circle. Along the top of each pupil, let's draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a curve. So on the left, we're going to step in, curve this up, and then down, just leaving a gap along the outside of the eye. Now let's trace the eyes, go all the way around along the top, come down, and then in. Let's move back to that center hump. We're going to draw two circles for the nostrils, one on the left, one on the right. And then you want to move down and draw in the mouth. So we start on the left side, we're going to curve the mouth going out and then up, higher on the right side. Let's connect the ends with a curve, coming down toward the bottom of the mouth, and then up. Now over on the right side, we're going to add a curve, coming across and then down from the tongue. And it will fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to work our way across the outside of the screen. Let's start on the left side of the eye, curve this out, curve that in. From here, draw a straight line coming down the side. Now I want to add another bump, coming out, around towards the inside, and then up. And we're just going to flatten out the bottom with a straight line going across. Now we're going to add a trim along the outside. Let's start back from the eye, go out, and then in, go straight down, curve around the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going out, then in, go straight down, curve around the bottom, and then up. Now I'm going to place the hands along the four corners. So let's start with the top left. Start with a curve going around and then in. Now let's do the same thing on the right. Just going to line this up. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. Just adding that curve. It's almost like a small half circle. And then we're going to add the outside fingers. Let's start out here. I'm just going to angle this down and out. Now on the ends, we're going to add a circle, going around and then in, leaving a small gap. Go back up and in towards the hand. Now let's draw on that center finger. Come down the middle, and then add that circle in the center. Let's do the same thing on all four corners. Now we're going to do the same thing across the bottom, but we'll point the fingers going up. Now let's draw the inside of the screen. Let's connect these two fingers along the top with a straight line. Across the bottom. Now along the sides. Let's add some dots just underneath the eyes. Add 3 on either side. And then we can fill the center of the screen with anything we like, but I'm just going to add some waves going across. So let's start on the left side. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lilypad from Toy Story 5. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.